Welcome to this fast tutorial that we are starting right away. We go through our base Android application. So we go to the Android Studio on open from GitHub Android example. First, we take a look at Android manifest.xml, which will be containing permissions that we will be granting to our application to operate with. In Android, if you want to access certain resources, for example Wi-Fi state, you have to grant that to your application. We'll be configuring the main class, which will be the starting point of our application called main activity. In the Java section, we will have the test classes. We are not going to expand on this now, but you should know if you want to test your application, it will be in this package. In REST folder, you will find our resources, for example, activity main in the layout. This will contain all the properties related to the layout of your application, spaces, padding, colors, buttons, styles, and so on. Notice that in this section you have a design mode that will show the look of what your code will generate, and you will be able to change it manually, and the code will change accordingly. You can change aspects of the objects, and you have many features available just by clicking Ctrl space. Moving to the Gradle section, we'll take a look at the model Gradle, in which we find the configurations related to Java version and all the libraries we will be needing. Like for example, the swipe button we use to unlock our computer in one of our tutorials. Also, we have Gradle.properties, in which we can store more properties, and setting.gradle that stores some more configuration related to the repository we are using, and the application name. In the values folder, we can find XML files storing string values. One of these values will be the name that our application will have in our phone. If we look for app name by Ctrl-Shift-F to look everywhere, we will find it referenced in the Android manifest.xml. And that's pretty much it. Have a good one.